Hi, it's Jeffrey, and I'm here with Amanda. And from time to time on Wine Down Wednesday, we said we want to have some fun. You know, DE and I is a heavy topic. We said we always want to bring a calm voice to this, hence Wine Down Wednesday. And we found some amazing entrepreneurs in the Atlanta area that we want to highlight. And so we're actually creating a Wine Down Wednesday cocktail and mocktail. And Amanda's going to tell you more about the basis of this drink. And then we're going to turn it over to two amazing guest hosts, Whiskey and Rosemary. Amanda, what are we drinking today?
All right.
Or what are we trying to drink today?
So today we are going to be drinking The Worthy. This was created for us by Whiskey and Rosemary. You need to check them out on Instagram. But they are mixologists and they are phenomenal. So they put together this worthy drink for us. And it is all about the imposter syndrome. So ladies, you know exactly what I'm talking about. We sometimes don't feel that we are worthy or that we are imposters in this world. So this drink is all about reminding us that we are in fact worthy and that we deserve to be where we are, especially in the working world. Here's Whiskey and Rosemary.
Hi, my name is Raquel.
And my name is Erika.
And we are Whiskey and Rosemary.
Yes, we're excited to be here today for Wine Down Wednesday, and we have a special cocktail for you.
Yes. So a little bit about Whiskey and Rosemary. We're a craft lifestyle brand with a focus on cocktails, food, travel, experiences, brand partnerships.
And more.
Yes.
Yes.
So as Erika mentioned, we have a craft cocktail for y'all today. It is called Worthy.
Yes, so let's get into it, and then we're going to tell you a little bit about what inspired it. So before we hop into it, let's go down a checklist of what we need as far as our tools. A bar spoon or a teaspoon, a muddler, shaker, jigger, and a shaker, and a glass.
Of course. And also for the ingredients, you'll need honey, French grape preserves, 100% cranberry juice, and of course, Whiskey and Rosemary.
Yes. So
all right, let's go ahead and get into it. The first step is to add 2 sprigs of rosemary. So we're going to add some fresh rosemary to this. Give it a little smack to release the oils and aromas from the rosemary.
All right, next we're going to grab our French grape preserves. We use the Bon Maman brand. We love it so much. Yeah, so we're going to add 1 teaspoon in there, or a big bar spoon. And we're going to grab our muddler and get this all mashed up together. The goal is to release the oils from the rosemary and so we can have the big bold flavors of that.
Exactly. So we're going to go ahead and muddle for about 2-3 more seconds.
Using our muscles here.
Right.
Awesome.
All right. Now we're going to go ahead and add 3/4 ounce of honey. And this is going to add a little depth to the cocktail. So let's go ahead and add some honey. Yes, a little. There we go.
Awesome. Like she said, we love honey, for the season. It just has a really deep flavor. And it's fun to work with. It gets a little sticky, so use your spoon.
Yeah, just scrape it out. Make sure you got about 3/4 ounce. Right. All right. Next, we have the 100% cranberry juice.
Yes. So we're going to do 1 ounce of that, and we're doing the 100% because we want that tart and sweetened flavor when we're doing the cocktail, so we can use our other sweetened components. So that's important to have the 100%.
Yes. And 'tis the season for cranberry juice.
Yes.
I feel like this is
perfect time of the year.
Exactly. Perfect time of the year.
Yes. And cranberry with the rosemary and honey. Oh,
perfecto.
Yes. Last but not least, we're going to add our whiskey. So what we're going to do here is add 1 3/4 ounce. Boom.
Thank you.
Okay.
And yeah, we can go ahead and ice up. We're going to ice our glass first.
Yeah, ice it to the rim. Check it, ice it all the way up to the top. Yeah, add a little bit more. Awesome, and ice the tin as well. Yes. We have to get our cocktail nice and cold. And what the shaking process does is allow all the flavors to come together, the emulsification, and dilute a little bit.
Yes. It'll add a little water to the cocktail too. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and take this. Make sure you give it some strength to break up that the preserve, and then the honey and the rosemary, all of that. And all the extra muscles are lifted.
Pretty good. Woo. Making cocktails is also a workout, just in case. You want to add that to your workout plan.
Exactly. Have a cocktail after your workout. All right, let's go ahead and pour it.
Right.
Such beautiful color. Look at that.
Nice. And let's add a little rosemary. Smack it to release the oils, the smell, and just top it.
Beautiful.
Boom.
Cheers. Cheers.
That's the worthy.
Yes. Thank you.
Really good.
Delicious.
Yes. So,
so this cocktail, it was inspired, like Erika said, on a conversation about imposter syndrome. We want to make sure we're always celebrating ourselves no matter what phase we are in life.
And just knowing that whatever we are experiencing in life, whether it be successes, lessons, opportunities, that we are worthy of that. That's what tackling imposter syndrome means to me. And we all are here to have fun and take up space and own that space and just exactly. No matter what space you are in at that time, just make sure you're celebrating yourself and you're remaining yourself. And we wanted to bring that into this cocktail, just making it about the creativity of it all, because that's where we started. Just having fun,
being creative. You got to remember the simple things like that.
Yeah.
Each step of the way. So yes, thank you. Yes, cheers. Thank you, Amanda and Jeff, for inviting us on to Wine Down Wednesday. If you make this cocktail at home, make sure you tag us
Whiskey and Rosemary on Instagram. We'd love to see it.
Yeah. So cheers.
Have a good one. Yes.
Okay. Well, we hope you enjoyed that segment. So I'm here. I've got my cranberry juice and my sprig of rosemary that I stole from my neighbors. Actually borrowed. I'll give them back. And I've got my Jack Daniels. So I'm going to make the real version. Amanda's going to enjoy the mock version. But we hope you enjoyed this fun segment of Wine Down Wednesday.